Evangeline, my Gabrielle.
We didn't really have a lot of time during the first production. Things had to be done and we only had a certain amount of time to do them in. So this time we have time to really create this world for everybody, and I think that's what's going to be the biggest difference is costumes and sets and the rewrite of the second act.
Also casting as well. The first time around, Evangeline was done in rep with Anne of Green Gables, part of the summer season. And so all of the roles in Evangeline had to be cross-cast with Anne of Green Gables. This time with Evangeline getting its own production and Bob casting only Evangeline, I think it's really going to fly.